everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. How to prepare healthy lemon rice. If you add fiber and protein to the lemon rice, it will be so healthy. It will take minimum 25 minutes of preparation. Let's see this. To cook rice, no need to use a pressure cooker. Just add 5 cups of water in a vessel and boil it. Boiling rice is the best method to remove the starch from the rice. This is very good method when compared with cooker rice. In a bowl, take 1 cup of rice and wash it thoroughly. This is normal rice. After washing, add 1 cup of water and soak it for minimum 15 minutes. Now the water is boiling. This will take minimum 15 minutes of time. Now add 1 cup of soaked rice to the boiling water. For the rice to cook, it will take minimum 6 minutes of time. Mix the rice with water thoroughly. After 6 minutes, you could see rice on top of the water. Check the rice and then filter it out. If you are in a weight loss journey, you have to use this boiling rice method. This will remove the starch. Now our white rice is ready. In a dry pan, add 2 spoons of sesame oil and heat it. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Wait until it splatters. Add 1 spoon of chana dal. This will give crunchy taste. Fry this until it turns light brown. You can also add peanuts if you have. Add 5 green chilies slit in the middle, little ginger, 6 curry leaves and some coriander leaves. Fry this for just 2 seconds. When you fry green chilies, it will give a different taste. Add 4 pinch of hing for flavor. After adding hing, make it to low flame. Add 2 cups of cooked rice. Once you add the rice, mix it gently. You could see rice are separated because of the boiling process. Add half spoon of salt. Very little turmeric or quarter spoon of turmeric. Don't put more turmeric, this will change the color to bright yellow. Better have a light yellow that looks very good. Mix the turmeric thoroughly. If you want to add more oil, you can add 1 spoon of oil. After mixing turmeric with the rice, add 3 spoons of lime juice. Whenever you are adding lime juice, keep the flame very low. Mix it thoroughly. Level up the rice and cook it in low flame for minimum 1 minute. There is no fiber content in the rice, just adding full 1 grated carrot. This will give the crunchy taste. You have to definitely try with carrot grated. This will taste good. To get more fiber and protein content, have it with chickpea spinach curry. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.